What's up, YouTube? This is JW here, back in a video. Just to let you guys know, I'm fucking pissed and tired of people. And like I said in my coming soon, I got some Kayak Grape. It's uncracked, I'm sorry guys. It's fucking delicious. So, pack a lip with JW. Oh, and fucking my gums are fucked up. Cause I've been fucking working all week with fucking construction, plumbing, labor, and shit like that. I've been fucking putting in the front. This shit is fucking loose. I've been working fucking 10-hour days and shit. Or whatever. God damn it. Preview of the can. It's purple. Duh. It's fucking great. God damn it. Alright. Warning label. 99 cents all across there. Hold on, let me use this up real fast. Warning label. 99 cents barcode. All that bullshit. Fucking stupid one label. Purple. Just long cut, moist snuff. It's alright. This should go to like more like starter dippers. Cause I couldn't do this shit every day. I like my Copenhagen. But it's only 99 cents, so you can't beat it. Like, it's kinda, watch, I'll pick it up where the loose spot is right here. It's not as, you can't grab a bunch that's like fucking Copenhagen or Stoker's. It's alright. I wouldn't dip it every day. The taste lasts about 15-20 minutes. Copenhagen, you can have it in there for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes. It's like a long-lasting flavor. I don't want to take that from Stoker's, like, oh, long-lasting flavor. Whatever kind of shit. Fucking tired. I haven't been home all fucking week. I had to work on a fucking Saturday. What kind of shit is that? I've been fucking riding. Pretty good day. Worked fucking half a day. Fucking making money. I don't know why I'm bitching. Making that paycheck. Pretty fucking good. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of dip you want me to try. Like this video if you do. Subscribe for future dip videos. Comment down below if you got any questions. Follow me on Twitter at JWDipper. Follow me on Facebook, same thing. All that bullshit. All that fucking stupid fucking shit we got on the fucking internet. You keep spitting black, get you a fucking mud jug at mudjug.com, wherever the fuck it is, it's right there. Mudjug.com, get you one of them. So, peace out, motherfuckers.